Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something special for you whether you're attending a wedding soon or just love thoughtful gifting. We're talking wedding gift ideas for couples, from meaningful keepsakes to practical presents they'll actually use. Let's dive in. 1. Personalized cutting board. First up, a personalized cutting board with their names and wedding date. It's decorative, useful, and something they'll keep for years in their kitchen. 2. His and hers robe set. Next, go cozy with a matching robe set. Add Mr. and Mrs. embroidery for that luxury hotel feel right at home. 3. Customized star map. Gift them a star map showing the night sky on their wedding day. Romantic, unique, and totally frame-worthy. 4. Couples cooking class. An experience gift like a virtual or local cooking class gives them memories to make together, and maybe discover their signature dish. 5. Matching luggage set. Help them honeymoon in style with a matching luggage set. Bonus points if it includes their initials. 6. Smart home device. A smart speaker or home assistant makes life easier, and it's something they'll use every day. 7. Subscription box for 2. Try a monthly date night box, wine club, or meal kit subscription. It's the gift that keeps on giving, even after the honeymoon. 8. Wedding keepsake box. A beautiful memory box where they can store invites, photos, and little treasures from their big day. 9. Personalized blanket. A soft throw blanket with their names or initials stitched in. Great for movie nights and cuddle time. 10. Adventure fund jar. Give them a cute jar labeled Adventure Fund to save for future trips, weekends away, or new experiences. 11. Custom couple portrait. Commission a digital or hand-drawn portrait of the couple in wedding attire. Super thoughtful and totally Instagram-worthy. 12. Instant camera set. A mini camera like a Fujifilm Instax lets them capture spontaneous newlywed moments on the go. 13. Engraved jewelry. A necklace or bracelet with their initials or wedding date, simple, classy, and forever special. 14. Couples journal. Something like Our Love Story, or a shared planner helps them reflect, plan, and stay connected. 15. Personalized doormat. Welcome them home in style with a custom doormat saying, The Smiths, Est. 2025, or something sweet. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more gift inspiration.